Monster video now. So see what we got. We got a box. That was pretty discreet. We have another box. Oh fuck. Oh shit now. This is what we need here. See, I'm sitting on a booster seat. Don't mind that. Okay, this is the big kahuna right here. This is what you want. See that? 7CH2 by 39. Motherfucker. Yeah, this is what I said, man. You know what I'm saying? You know, I ordered this for the right price. If the price is right, we're gonna take it out for a ride. 124, that's my pocket. That's like my lucky number. 124 grand. Look at that. Woo. Doesn't that look beautiful? I'll take one out. Oh, okay. We got brakes of 40. Don't mind my ashy hands neither. You see they're full metal jackets. Let me see. 40 cartridges each. So this should equal 1,000 rounds. We're gonna do the math on this to make sure. We'll be right back. All right, Phelps. So yeah, just have to make sure all 25 of my boxes of 40 rounds are in here. And it actually was, so 1,000 rounds. As you Emily did good. I ordered it. I actually got here in like 4 days, no cap. All jokes aside. You know what I'm saying? And like, I just wanna let y'all know, like, what is it like? It's August, election's coming up. Right now is a good time to stock up on ammo and guns and all that good shit. I know y'all can't take me seriously with this fucking face mask on. But, yeah, man, just goddamn fucking stock up on your shit, man. Stock up on food, stock up on your resources. It's not all about guns, it's beans, bullets, and band-aids. So you make sure you got all the shit you need, man. All the necessities, because you never know. Shit, I got a taste of it fucking in March, how this shit was, so. Stock up with all the shit you need, get right before it's too late, because you don't want to get caught up with them people who trying to get everything last minute. Those gonna be the first to go. You dig? Hey, hold up. Also, I'm gonna peel this mask off for y'all. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let me set it up from here right here, you know what I'm saying? Set it up for y'all. Oh, this feel good. It's very satisfying. Damn. Ouch. You know what I'm saying? You gotta take it like a real G. Oh, yeah. That feels good on the face of here. Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. 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 Oh, fuck. Damn. It's actually amazing. I ain't never seen no shit like that, boy. You know what I'm saying? A lot of health over well shit over here, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, order you some ammo, man. Stop buying boxes of ammo, man. You know what I'm saying? Order you some fucking ammo. So I missed a few spots. Somebody get the shit off my face, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all be safe out here.